Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel. Today's video will be a reading vlog. I will be reading the books that I chose for the reading rush. I have been recording the videos of me reading for 6 days. I couldn't record the video for the 6th day for some reasons, and today is the last day of the reading rush. So here it is, and I have read three books so far of the TBR and two additional books, and I'm still reading this The Lovers by John Connolly. Maybe I'll finish it today. I don't really know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's get started. So I just finished reading Dead and Alive. It was a good read. It was I enjoyed reading it. It was about friendship, bravery, courage, and David Cunningham did finally find what happened to Monique, and it was a really exciting part of the book. And many other stuff happened after that. Okay, and to find that out, you will have to read the book, and I think you guys should give it a try because it was a nice read. It's less than 200 pages, so yeah, it was a good for a short read. Do give it a try and let me know how you find it. So now that I'm done with the first book of the TBR, I will start the second book, and I chose it to be The Great Gatsby because it is shorter than the other books in the TBR. So yeah, I will read this and I will let you guys know how I like it because it's a classic and I don't really read classics. So let's see how this one turns out. Okay, and stay tuned for more vlogs. Bye bye. I just finished reading The Great Gatsby and it was a good read. I didn't really expect the things that happened in the end of the book. So, yeah, I really enjoyed reading it. And the next book I will be reading is Marley and Me, and I'm really excited for it, even though I know the story. So, let's start reading this. So it's day 4 of reading rush, and one of the challenges was that we have to read completely outside of our house. But during the pandemic, we just can't. I can't really go outside of my house and read. So I'll be reading by my window. Yeah. So and I'm still reading Marley and Me, and so far I'm really loving it. It's a book full of joy and so many emotions, and yeah, I'll let's continue reading it. So I finished reading Marley and Me, and I absolutely loved it. Uh, there was a point where the book got a lot emotional, but it's fine. And yeah, the book was amazing. You guys should definitely read it. And the next book that I'm going to read is The Lovers by John Connolly, and I'm really excited about this book because the blurb is very exciting, and yeah, the story seems really interesting. So let's see what this brings to me. I have read 3 books of the TBR now, and I have enjoyed all of them. And so I have been recording reading vlogs, as you guys can see in the previous ones too. And I know they are not really perfect, but it's my first time doing it, so I think they turned out to be okay. and I will be recording a reading job for this one too. And yeah, I think I will enjoy this one too because I found the blurb really exciting and interesting. So let's see. And yeah, the fifth book of the TBR, that is The Girl Who Kicked the Hornet's Nest. It's too big and I don't know if I will pick it up, but let's see. And I have also been reading another book that is called The Skeleton Cupboard, and I read it a few weeks ago, but didn't continue it because I had some I got busy into some other things. But I did continue it yesterday, and it was really it was very amazing. It's about a clinical psychologist in making, who is taking her training and doing placements, internship, and she shares this journey. And yeah, it's really amazing to know about the lives of the psychologist. So I think I will do a review on it, I don't know, let's see. Yeah, so yeah, I'll just get into this book. Okay. Hi, so I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Watching me read must have been fun. So yeah, I'm still reading The Lover by John Connolly. Maybe I hope I finish it today. And there is one book still left to read, that's called The Girl Who Kicked a Hornet's Nest by Stieg Larsson. I don't think I'll pick it up because it's already the last day of the readathon, and I'm still on this book. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you had fun watching it, please do subscribe to my channel and leave comments if you guys have read some of the videos that you watched me reading. Have fun, guys. Happy reading and stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.